जय श्रीमन्नारायण. O Bharata, Lakshmana did not sleep. Sitamma Ramachandra Swami slept. Lakshmana, he has taken all of his weapons, and throughout the night he was going around Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami and protecting them from all the directions. O Bharata, even myself also, along with my all people, have taken all of our weapons and started protecting Mahendra Samana, the one who is compared to Mahendra himself. Such Ramachandra Swami, we protected Rama throughout entire night along with Lakshmana. After all these things, Guha said, Bharata immediately went to that tree and started touching that darbhasaya, all the grass blades on which Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami slept. He started touching that, and he called on all his mothers and started addressing them. Oh, my dear mothers, please look at this. Look at this place. This is where my Rama has slept. Mahabhaga Kulinena. My Rama, who has born in such a great dynasty. My Rama, who has born in such a wealthiest dynasty. My Rama, who has born in Ikshvaku the dynasty. He is the one who slept on these grass blades. Oh, my dear mothers, please look at this. My Rama, who is the son of Dasharatha Maharaju, slept on the floor. Oh, my dear mothers, please look at this. My Rama, who used to always sleep on such a delicate, very wide, very pure, very fragranceful beddings. Katham sete mahitale. How did such Rama slept on this earth? Oh, my dear mothers. Like this, Bharata started addressing all the mothers and crying after seeing that grass blades on which Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami slept. Bharata still saying that my Rama, who used to be always living in and sleeping in such a great palaces which is built with all the gold and silver, such great palaces which has so many different colorful, wonderful beddings, such great palaces which has so many great flowers and fragranceful flowers. Such great palaces which is always decorated with so many wonderful ornaments and flowers. Such great palaces, everywhere we get to see beautiful parrots. In such great palaces, my Rama used to be living in and my Rama used to sleep. Such great Ramachandra Swami, how did he sleep on this floor? How did he sleep on this grass blades? Oh, my dear mothers, my Rama, who gets to be awakened by beautiful singing, beautiful songs, beautiful instruments, beautiful maids, and all those such a great sounds. With all those great sounds, Kausalya, Supraja, Rama, like this all the people used to awaken my Rama. Such Rama, who used to be always gets awakened by such a great, nice prabandhas, nice praises, nice prayers and Gadya Visheshas. Such great Rama had to sleep on this grass blades and on this floor. My dear mothers, it would have been great if it is all not true at all, if it is all like a dream to me. Like this, Bharata, he's crying and worrying a lot after seeing a place where Sitamma and Ramachandra Swami slept. Bharata, while showing that place to all his mothers, he is crying. Bharata, while remembering the troubles Sita Ramachandra Swami going through, Bharata is crying. He is now addressing to all of his mothers saying that, oh, my dear mothers, Look at Sitamma. Guha is saying that Sitamma slept over here on the floor. Oh, my dear mothers, my mother Sitamma, she is the daughter of such a great Karma Yogi Janaka Maharaju. She is the wife of Rama, and my Rama loves Sitamma more than his own life. That kind of Sitamma. And my Sitamma, my mother Sitamma, is the daughter-in-law of Dasaratha Maharaju. Such great Sita Mahadevi had to sleep on this floor. Oh, my dear mothers, look at this. Probably Sitamma did not remove all her ornaments because of so much of walking she had to do. Probably she got tired. Without removing any of her ornaments, she probably slept over here on the floor. I can see all the small golden drops over on the floor. Drishyante saktaha kanakabindavaha. Oh, my dear mothers, and also Sitamma had that silk saree, all those small strings also I can see, which are connected to these grass blades over here. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.